Hey crafters, Lisa here from Fun Stuff Crafts. So glad you could join me for another Inspiration Friday. So it is October. I really thought that we would be done wearing masks by now, but we're not. And we're probably in it for the long haul. And so I've had quite a few comments on my mask extenders that I did last spring. And so I thought it would be really fun to put together a tutorial on a no-sew extender. They're really easy to make. It's going to take you about 7 inches of ribbon and a snap kit. Now, if you guys have watched some of my tutorials before, you know that I love my snap kit that I picked up at Amazon, which I'll make sure I put a link down below for you guys. So I am going to show you how to make these cute mask extenders, okay? Literally a piece of ribbon and some snaps. It is so easy, you guys. There is one little trick, so you got to stay tuned for the tutorial to pick up the trick on how to do this. But before we get to my craft table, if this is your first time stopping by, thanks so much. I really appreciate it. And if you like this tutorial, please make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Click on the notification button down below and YouTube should alert you each time I upload a new video. So before we get to the craft table though, you guys, I want to show you how easy these are to use, okay? So I've already got my extender on, just so you guys can see, they snap off, and snap right on. So really easy. When you're washing your mask, you can definitely take off this extender. But watch this. I'm going to put my mask right over my head, see if it cooperates with me. Okay, I'm got it around my neck, okay? I don't need to have it on right now, but hey, I'm going into the store. I've got to put my mask on. Guess what? Put it on, put it up, and the extender is going right across. It is not pulling on my ears at all. It is a lot more comfortable, or as comfortable as a mask can be. So give me a second to get my camera angle changed, and I'm going to show you how to make these quick and easy mask extenders. Meet you at the craft table. Okay, crafters, I have got another version of the mask extenders for you. I did one earlier this year that was a sewing one, but I thought it would be fun to put together a no-sew mask extender. So that's what I have for you here today. Here is just your basic black mask, and I have added on an extender on the back. And this is so super easy. I can't wait to show you guys. Now you can do all different lengths, definitely. This is a small one. So you guys are really going to want to measure and see what length you want. And what I would tell you is you want to measure the mask, okay, excuse me, the extender on the back of your head. And like this one is about 5 inches. And then I added an inch on the back. So you guys, all I'm doing is I am taking ribbon and I'm adding snaps. As easy as that, you guys. So let me show you really quick. This one goes together super quick. I want to show you how I'm doing it. The other thing I wanted to tell you guys is this does not use much ribbon. So I don't know about you, but I have a little ribbon stash and I found this cute heart ribbon in there. I thought that would make a cute one too. So, you know, this is going to take basically about 7 inches of ribbon. So you guys can, you know, go grab some ribbon from the Dollar Tree, whatever works for you guys. And you know what? I picked up some really cute ribbon also just as some ideas. So all different ideas that you can do. But basically all we're going to do, you guys, is we are going to cut the ribbon. And I'm going to do my extender that fits on the back of my head really well is 5 inches. So I'm actually going to cut my ribbon to be 7 inches. So whatever length you need, it's going to be that plus 2 inches. Then the trick here, you guys, is you want to finish the edge of the ribbon. So I am just going to very lightly run a light across it with my flicker. And this just stops the ends from fraying, okay? And so then what we have is a finished edge on our extender. And then you guys have seen me do crafts before. I love my little snap kit. So for this one, I'm going to put some gray snaps on it. So if I go in and I am going to get, you need 2 sets on each side. And so I'm going to just grab out all the pieces, and I'll give you guys a close-up here in just a second, so you guys make sure you have the right pieces for this. You know, by this time I thought maybe we'd be done wearing masks, but we're definitely not. And so this one is a great one to save the ears. I originally did this when my niece had asked me, she's in the healthcare profession, and she had asked for a way to help save her ears. So let's take a closer look up of the pieces that I need for the snap kit. So we need, this is the cover, what I call it, and it's got a prong sticking up. And then we've got one piece of the snap that's inverted, or it's sticking out, and one that's in. So these two are going to go together, okay? So we want to make sure you have the right pieces for the snap kit. And then, you guys, this is super easy. I'm going to throw one on each one of the ends. Now, since I finished off that end with my lighter, I do not need to worry about that coming undone, okay? So I put the first snap in, I poke it through, and then I put the cover on it. And then with my snap kit, there is a black side and a kind of a cream colored side. And this one has got a flat finish on it, and so I'm just going to put it in. Now you do want to make sure you get it centered really well, okay? And then all I'm going to do is snap it together, okay? As easy as that, you guys, okay? So now what I want to do is I want to just bring it over about an inch, okay? And you guys can measure it up if you want. Bring it over about an inch. I am going to feel where that other one is so I get it kind of centered. I want to make sure I take the opposite piece because we want our snaps to be able to go together, because we're going to take the elastic from our mask and slide it right through, and then I'm going to snap that one, okay? So one side done. How easy was that, you guys? And then let's go ahead and put a cover on this one. We're going to do the exact same steps. I do like to put the same pieces of the snap on each side. So I'm going to go ahead and just do that. Okay, snap that one together. That one does have a little burnt edge on it, it looks like, but we're going to be okay. Okay, I'm going to put this together about an inch. The cool thing about these guys is these guys are super cheap if you have the snap kit. Now, if you don't have the snap kit, you guys, I'm going to put the links down below. I picked it up on Amazon, but I know you can also pick them up at any of your craft stores. I know I've even seen them at the little pliers here I've seen up at Walmart, and I've bought replacement pieces up at Walmart. So see, there I have my snap. I've put it together. I'll double check them, okay? So there is my extender. So now what you're gonna do is all you do is you put these right around your mask, okay? So I'm gonna do it just like that, okay? And then I'm gonna come around the other side of my mask, and I'm going to snap that right in. And there you guys have it. I'll make sure I put this on and model it for you, but this works really nice. The back end of this elastic is not pulling on your ears at all. So quick and easy, no sew mask extenders. I will also put a link down below to my original extender pattern and or tutorial, and it was a sew one, but I thought it would be fun to do a no sew one. Make it the size you need, and you could, you know, make a whole bunch of these. So let me know what you think of this no sew mask extender tutorial. Thanks for joining me. And I hope you enjoyed this Inspiration Friday project doing a no sew mask extender. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell, and YouTube should alert you each time I upload a new video. If you have any questions, please add a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. And also, don't forget to check out my blog at funstuffcrafts.com for other DIY projects.